Welcome to ExxonMobil Presents Festival of Manufacturing, co-powered by Ace Micromatic Group.
Manufacturing is the one area where we can provide a lot of employments. Manufacturing makes the people disciplined also and gives a lot of strength to solve the problem. Family, I belong to a place in Haryana now. At that time when I was born, it was a combined Punjab, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal together. So initially I worked with my own hands. The company had a policy that all engineers or diploma engineers they have to work with their own hands for 1 year. So I also worked, but that was a big learning point that time. Working with own hands and making very heavy equipments. You can't imagine what type of equipments I used to make that time. I was just 19 years old that time, 19 years old boy making heavy equipments that time. But then the period of 86 came and 90s also started. So we understood that now the career is in the automobile. Then Maruti has also started entering that time. So I also changed to automobile side. This is a turning point. I mean, I worked in automobile companies thereafter. Till today, I'm engaged in automobile. But in between, for 18-20 years, I was working with Toyota. It was not designed by me. It was designed by the circumstances that wherever I went, I got good learning. Second is injection molding based. The third is the EPDM rubber based technologies. So where we have well designed, very good plants we have got, well organized. So now I'm helping this company or this group of companies to optimize their processes and take maximum benefit of their, which can result into profitability. So we are struggling right now in this company. We are not achieved what we wanted to achieve. We also diversified into some other areas of manufacturing. Many people come to us and they try to learn from us. We welcome everyone to please come and see our plants, and we teach them theory also, practical also. The group is very open for these things. So our employees are very happy here in our shop. It was very difficult at that time how to change over from heavy engineering, heavy fabrication or heavy machinery to the automobile. But the country also had no choice. One is safety side. Earlier safety was not so good. Working in industry was little risky that time during my beginning period. In the shop floor, of course, we should make more attractive first. First of all, shop floor should be made more attractive. Manufacturing should be made attractive, and because they have option. Earlier options were not there. There was no IT, so every engineer had to work on shop floor only, to begin from shop floor only, or work in projects, big projects. Big projects were there that time. And also this road construction, electrification, those were the areas where people used to work earlier. Then gradually things became, after automobile. Automobile changed everything. All systems which are now operating in industry, they have come from automobile only. And that too in the highest in that is the Toyota systems. So fortunately I learnt both, the automobile systems also, and that too from Toyota. So I made very high very heavy fabrications, very heavy. They're known as scroll casing or spiral casing. And I did some studies, of course, for my other reasons, for my growth. And then thereafter I started thinking about the company only. I do not think anything else. So I sequence it whole day, what I am going to do. So when I come here, the same sequence I have to follow. What motivates is that I can see those faces in my at home also. How they will be understanding from me and how they will take it, and how it will benefit them. And the second issue is now another issue is while teaching these subjects of manufacturing or systems of process management or the project management, I also teach some subjects of higher dimension. So that actually motivates. That makes me to come to office every day. Today morning also, for example, they had one class on the hidden potential. So I went there and just to learn something from the HR head. So he was teaching there. So I also learned from him something. But I used that opportunity to teach the people there something about the spiritual side. So whatever I learned today morning, I shared with them. So this is how I keep thinking, what should I be doing today? So any subject, whether it's a quality management or manufacturing side or project side or some safety matters, whatever kind of meetings are there, I prepare for that. I prepare for that. I mentally prepare myself to come to office. It's not I come like this only. I don't feel comfortable at all. I keep thinking when the Monday will come or early morning. I get up very early morning. Then I sleep also sometime at 5 o'clock. Sometime. Today also I slept at 5 o'clock. From 2 to 5 I studied something. The manufacturing, see, you are in manufacturing, you are adding some value. First of all, you are converting something from the basic raw material to some useful product which is used by society or by somebody, like making an automobile or making a component or parts which are used in the automobile. Now currently we are in that business. So we convert some raw material. So manufacturing is a step-by-step approach. Using some manufacturing processing, we make something. But there are some difficulties, there are some problems come. When you solve the problem of your manufacturing, not only you have been able to solve the problem externally, you also become a different person inside. So running away from problem or not staying in the factory or manufacturing will not solve the purpose. You stay in the factory company, you do the manufacturing processes or do whatever calls for in the manufacturing setup and face the problems. Now problem solving in our case, for example, in our learning is, it is not only a step-by-step approach to solve the problem. Also you have to prepare your mind to solve the problem. So when you are preparing the mind for solving the problem, you become a different person from within. So manufacturing is not helping only to add some value externally. It also adds some value to your internal development. Manufacturing is the one area where we can provide lot of employments. But only difference is now the employment in manufacturing is supported by technology. So manufacturing makes the people disciplined also, and gives a lot of strength to solve the problems. A lot of opportunities are there. The Kaizen system, you might have heard about Kaizen system. Kaizen means this only. Continuously you are improving your process, making it different and solving some problem making it either cheaper or making it better quality. So when you use this kind of process to improve your process or improve your product, the product is improved, process is improved, but along with the person is also improved.
Watch his inspiring story only on festivalofmanufacturing.in, an initiative by the Times Group.